In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board on Monday.com. Whether you're streamlining workflows or preparing for upcoming projects, duplicating a board can be incredibly useful. So let's get started. First, let's head over to Monday.com. Once you're in your workspace, open the board you'd like to copy. This could be anything from Client Projects 2024 to Marketing Campaign Tracker or whatever specific project board you're working with. It's important to have the right board open since this is going to be your starting point. Next, we'll move on to opening the board menu. In the top right corner of your board, there's a small menu symbolized by 3 dots. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you're going to select the option that says Duplicate Board. Now, it's crucial to note, if you don't see Duplicate Board as an option, you might need to check your permissions. Ensure you have edit or admin privileges for that particular board. Now, on to the exciting part, choosing what exactly you want to duplicate. You'll see 3 different duplication options. First, one is duplicate board structure only, which copies columns, groups, automations, and views, but leaves out the actual data. This is perfect if you're designing a template for future projects. The second option is duplicate board structure and items, which means everything gets copied, including existing items, statuses, and data. And lastly, there's duplicate board structure, items, and updates, which creates an exact replica complete with all updates, comments, and activity logs. If you're planning to create a reusable workflow template, it's generally recommended to use structure only. After you've chosen your duplication option, a dialog box will pop up asking where you'd like to save this duplicated board. Here, it's time to select the appropriate workspace and folder, and also think of a fitting new name. Whether it's Client Projects 2025 or Q1 Campaign Tracker, naming it based on its function or time frame can keep things organized. Once you've got that sorted, click Duplicate. Now that your board is successfully duplicated, there are a few final touches to consider. Start by updating the board name and group titles. For example, you might change a group title to January 2025 projects if it fits. Review and adjust automations as necessary. This might include altering team assignments or setting new dates. Don't forget to clean up any old or irrelevant data that's carried over. Removing unnecessary files or information can keep your board efficient and focused. Here's a pro tip. Consider using your newly duplicated board as a template for recurring tasks, like onboarding new clients or setting up monthly reports. That way, you can save time and ensure consistency across projects. So, with these steps completed, you've now effectively duplicated your board on Monday.com. Happy organizing!